Hi everyone, let's discuss chest infections, which can disrupt daily life. These infections, often acute bronchitis, inflame lung airways, usually from a virus. Symptoms include a hacking cough, shortness of breath, and fatigue. Distinguish between a common cold and severe conditions like pneumonia, requiring medical attention. Remedies support healing and alleviate symptoms, but don't replace professional advice. We'll explore natural treatments to manage symptoms. Listen to your body. Let's start feeling better. First up, garlic. For centuries, garlic has been revered for its medicinal properties. The key to its power lies in allicin. Allicin is only formed when the garlic is crushed, chopped. This compound exhibits antimicrobial, antiviral, and antifungal properties. Allicin can help your body fight off pathogens, acting as a natural support to your immune system. The most effective way is to consume it raw. Crush 1 to 2 fresh garlic cloves. Mix the crushed garlic with a teaspoon of raw honey. Aim to take this mixture once a day while you're experiencing symptoms. This natural remedy can help reduce the severity and duration of your symptoms. Moving on to our second remedy, we have something that pairs perfectly with our first, honey. This golden liquid has been used as a natural remedy for millennia, and for very good reason. When you're dealing with a chest infection, one of the most irritating symptoms is a persistent, dry, or scratchy cough that irritates your throat. Honey acts as a demulcent, which means it forms a soothing protective film over the mucus membranes in your throat. This coating can calm the irritation that triggers the cough reflex, providing immediate relief from that constant tickle. It's nature's cough drop, and its effectiveness is backed by numerous studies. But honey's benefits go far beyond just soothing your throat. It also possesses natural antibacterial and antimicrobial properties. This is due to several factors, including its low water content, its natural acidity, and the presence of an enzyme called glucose oxidase. This enzyme produces small amounts of hydrogen peroxide when honey is diluted, which acts as a mild antiseptic. While it may not be strong enough to eradicate a full-blown bacterial infection on its own, it can certainly help inhibit the growth of bacteria in your throat and upper airways, preventing a secondary infection and supporting your body's fight against the primary cause of your chest troubles. To make a simple and effective soothing drink, the method is incredibly straightforward. All you need to do is take 1 tablespoon of good quality raw honey. Raw is often preferred because it hasn't been heat processed, which can degrade some of its beneficial enzymes and compounds. Stir this tablespoon of honey into a mug of warm water. It's important that the water is warm, not boiling hot. Extremely high temperatures can diminish some of the therapeutic properties of the honey. You can also add this honey to your favorite non-caffeinated herbal tea, like chamomile or peppermint, for added benefits. Once your honey is fully dissolved, you'll want to sip this warm, sweet liquid slowly. Don't just gulp it down. The act of sipping allows the honey mixture to coat your throat thoroughly, maximizing its soothing demulcent effect. This can be particularly helpful right before bed, as a persistent cough often worsens at night and can disrupt your much-needed rest. A warm honey drink can calm your cough, soothe your throat, and help you get the sleep your body desperately needs to heal and recover from the infection. It's a simple, comforting, and scientifically supported remedy. Let's talk about lemon and ginger tea, a classic remedy. Ginger contains anti-inflammatory and antioxidant compounds. To make it, slice an inch of fresh ginger and boil it in 2 cups of water for 10-15 minutes. Strain, then add the juice from half a lemon. Lemons are packed with vitamin C, boosting your immune system. Add a teaspoon of honey for extra benefits. This tea hydrates, soothes, and supports your immune system. It's a simple way to manage symptoms and feel better. The saltwater gargle is a cost-effective treatment. It works using osmosis. A sore throat causes inflamed, swollen tissues. Salt water is a hypertonic solution that draws excess fluid out of your throat tissues, reducing inflammation and scratchiness. The high salt solution acts like a magnet for water. It reduces inflammation and swelling, alleviating that painful, scratchy feeling. It's a direct, localized, anti-inflammatory action powered by simple physics. Gargling also helps flush out irritants and bacteria. It's like giving your throat a cleansing rinse. Just mix warm water and table salt. Dissolve half a teaspoon of salt in 8 ounces of warm water. Ensure the water is warm, not hot, to help the salt dissolve. Stir until the salt is fully dissolved. You've created a powerful solution with 2 ingredients. Take a large sip, but don't swallow. Tilt your head back and gargle. Gargle for 30 seconds. Spit the water out completely, don't swallow it. Repeat 2 to 3 times a day. Let's tackle congestion, one of the most frustrating symptoms of a chest infection. Steam inhalation is a fantastic way to directly target congestion and provide immediate relief. The warm, moist air helps to humidify your nasal passages and airways, thinning out stubborn mucus. Add essential oils like eucalyptus or peppermint to take this remedy up a notch. Boil water, let it cool slightly, and pour it into a bowl. Add a couple of drops of essential oil. Lean over the bowl with a towel over your head to trap the steam. Breathe deeply for 5 to 10 minutes. Do this 2 or 3 times a day, especially before bed for a more restful night's sleep. Rest is arguably the most powerful tool in your recovery arsenal. From a medical standpoint, it's the smartest thing you can do when your body is fighting off an infection. Resting is like giving your immune system the resources it needs to win. Cancel non-essential plans, work from home if you can, and get more sleep. Aim for 8 to 10 hours of quality sleep per night. Staying well hydrated is critical. Water thins out the thick mucus in your lungs, making it easier to cough up. Aim for more than 8 glasses a day. Warm fluids like herbal teas and clear broths can be soothing. Avoid alcohol and excessive caffeine. Turmeric milk, or golden milk, has been used for centuries in traditional medicine and is now gaining attention for its health benefits. The star is turmeric, with its active compound, curcumin, a potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. Studies show curcumin can modulate inflammatory pathways, supporting your body's natural healing processes. To make it, warm a cup of milk and stir in half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Drink warm, ideally before bed. Add a pinch of black pepper to increase curcumin's bioavailability. This comforting beverage supports your body with ancient wisdom and modern science. This next remedy might sound unusual, but it's a classic folk remedy for calming a cough. Onion and honey syrup. Onions are rich in compounds with anti-inflammatory and expectorant properties. Honey soothes irritated tissues and has antibacterial properties. To make it, thinly slice 1 medium onion. Layer onion slices and honey in a clean jar. Seal and let sit at room temperature for 6 to 8 hours. This creates a potent syrup. Take 1 teaspoon every few hours as needed. It's a natural alternative to cough syrups. Alright, let's talk about something you can do anytime, anywhere that costs absolutely nothing but can have a profound impact on your recovery from a chest infection breathing exercises. Now, I know what you might be thinking. I'm already breathing. Isn't that enough? And while yes, your body is doing it automatically, when you're congested and your chest feels tight, your breathing often becomes shallow and less efficient. This can actually trap mucus in your lower lungs, making it harder to clear and potentially prolonging your illness. By consciously practicing deep breathing, you're not just taking in more air, you're actively working to improve your lung function and promote healing from the inside out. So how do we do this effectively? Let's focus on a simple yet powerful technique called diaphragmatic breathing, or belly breathing. Find a comfortable position, either sitting up straight in a chair or lying down on your back. Place one hand on your upper chest and the other on your belly just below your rib cage. The goal here is to breathe so deeply that your belly hand rises and falls, while your chest hand remains relatively still. This ensures you're using your diaphragm, the primary muscle of respiration, to its full potential. Let's try it together. Close your eyes if that helps you focus. Inhale slowly and deeply through your nose for a count of 4, feeling your abdomen expand, and push your hand up. Really focus on filling your lungs completely, from the bottom to the top. Now, hold that breath for just a second or 2. Then, purse your lips as if you're about to whistle and exhale slowly and steadily through your mouth for a count of 6. Feel your belly fall as you gently push all the air out. This longer exhale helps to expel stale air and, importantly, can stimulate a productive cough to clear that stubborn phlegm. Practicing this simple exercise for just 5 to 10 minutes, a few times a day, can make a significant difference. It helps to expand your lung capacity, which might be restricted due to inflammation and mucus buildup from the infection. This increased lung expansion mobilizes secretions, making them easier to cough up and out of your system. Think of it as a gentle internal massage for your airways. It's a proactive step you can take to support your body's natural clearing mechanisms, reduce the feeling of tightness in your chest, and help you feel more in control of your recovery process. It's vital to recognize when self-care isn't enough. Ignoring warning signs can lead to complications like pneumonia or other serious respiratory issues. A typical viral chest infection should improve within a week. If symptoms worsen, call your doctor. A high fever that persists could indicate a bacterial infection needing antibiotics. See a doctor immediately if you see green or brown mucus or blood. Most importantly, Any difficulty breathing is a medical emergency. Seek immediate medical attention for these situations. Remember, your doctor is there for diagnosis and critical care. So, there you have it. 10 natural approaches you can use at home to help soothe the discomfort of a chest infection and support your body's incredible ability to heal. From the antimicrobial power of garlic and the soothing properties of honey, to the mucus-clearing benefits of steam and targeted breathing exercises, you now have a whole toolkit of strategies to help you feel better. Remember that rest and hydration are your non-negotiable foundations for recovery. Your body is working overtime to fight off the infection, and giving it the downtime and the fluids it needs is the most important thing you can do to help it win that battle. I want to emphasize again that these remedies are for managing mild symptoms and supporting your recovery from common, uncomplicated chest infections. They are part of a holistic approach to health, empowering you to take an active role in your own well-being. However, they are not a substitute for professional medical advice, especially when symptoms are severe or persistent. Always listen to your body and don't ever hesitate to reach out to your doctor if you're concerned. Being an informed patient means knowing both how to care for yourself and when to ask for help. That's the key to navigating any health challenge safely and effectively. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you found this information helpful and feel more prepared to handle that next pesky chest cold when it comes your way. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel reach more people who might benefit from this information. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos where we break down complex medical topics and empower you to live a healthier, happier life. Your engagement truly makes a difference. As always, stay happy and healthy. I'll see you in the next video. Take care of yourselves and each other. Remember, knowledge is power, especially when it comes to your health. By understanding how your body works and how you can support it, you're making an investment in your long-term well-being. Continue to ask questions, stay curious, and be proactive about your health journey. It's the most important journey you'll ever take. Thanks again for watching, and I look forward to our next conversation.